Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What we're going to be doing today is a vlog. I've had a lot of requests for a vlog and I thought it would be fun to do one and just see how we're spending our time quarantined. My husband went back to work today, so I'm filming this on Tuesday and this will probably go up Friday. But it's just me and the Magster home right now. So I'll show you whatever we get into. I know when my husband gets home this evening, he's going to grill out by the pool, and we're going to have steaks and baked potato, and I'll probably fix some squash. I think that will be really good. And then I'm going to be making some brownies with walnuts in them. And then we went to Publix the other day to get some groceries. We bought some mint chocolate chip ice cream to go on top of that. So I think that's going to be really good. But we have started our diets because we have really packed on the weight. And so I did walk a mile this morning on my treadmill, and I used my Pilates. And he is walking, so that's good. And then I thought I'd show you Maggie's little tricks that she can do now. Sometimes she does them better than other times. We'll just see. So let me flip the camera around and we'll try one of her tricks. She loves her treats. These are the treats that she loves. We picked these up at PetSmart, but it's just the Natural Balance Mini Rewards. And this is chicken formula, and she loves it, absolutely loves it. So let's see what she'll do. Okay, usually all I have to do is just say her name a certain way, and she knows what's going to happen. Maggie, Maggie, sit, sit, good girl, good girl, good girl. Like I said, she loves these treats. Okay, see, she already knows lay is the next thing. Okay, sit, lay, lay. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Like I said, she'd do anything for those treats. Quite the ham. Go get your ball. Give Mama your ball. Give Mama your ball. I brushed her teeth today. We used the Arm & Hammer chicken flavor. She loves chicken, I suppose. Chicken flavor toothpaste, and she really likes to get her teeth brushed, so she doesn't give us any problems at all. I'm going to have to cut her nails here in a minute. And she growls at her ball. Looking out the window for Daddy. He's supposed to come home soon. She is so funny. She's patiently waiting for Daddy to come home from work. She's a hoot. She'll stand here forever. Okay, I am getting ready to fix some Duncan Hines. It's my favorite brownie mix. I normally just get the chocolate kind, but I got the California walnut this time. So I'm going to use that, and I'm making this for dessert. And Melvin is fixing he's getting ready to grill out our squash and our steaks. So this is going to be delicious. outside by the pool, and my husband's getting ready to grill the steaks. It's such a glare out there that half the time you can't see the pool on camera. Otherwise you can see it. It's real pretty and blue, but it's hard to see. And little Maggie's out here running around. There you go. You can see it pretty well like that. When the sun goes back in, it's you can see it, but for the most part it's pretty hard to see. I have my brownies in the oven, and so after we eat this, we will have our dessert. It is beautiful here today. It's about 80 degrees, a nice breeze. The birds are chirping. I mean, it's lovely. The flowers are in bloom. And Maggie is looking for anything that drops. But we're not gonna let anything drop. So I'll take you around and show you the pool. Okay, here's the pool. He cleaned it twice, but after that storm we had a lot of sediment come. He vacuumed it, but he needs to vacuum it again. But there's my little area that I fixed last year, and well, let me show you this one first. This one still looks pretty good. We need to cut our grass, but these roses I've had forever, and they're so pretty. I love those. And then over here, as many of you will remember, I fixed this last year. I laid out the stone like I wanted it, and my husband cut it. And I had this filled with a lot of pretty plants, but they died. The only thing that didn't die is the lantana, and we need to get in here and clean this out. We just really haven't had time. We've been busy doing other projects, but that's coming. There that is. But it is so nice. I hope you can hear the breeze. I don't know that you can. And Maggie is whining. She's wanting out in the yard, but I don't let her out unless I have her on a leash. Then here's our chairs. I have the cushions inside, but I got these at Big Lots last year, and he put them together for me, and I love them. They rock and swivel. They're real comfortable. But I guess maybe we'll eat our dessert and sit here and look at the pool.
Ooh, take a look, baby. It's almost done.
Mushrooms and onions for the steak. I love it. I wish we had smell-o-vision.
Gotta stick some olive oil drizzled across the top a little bit. Make sure I get them nice and coated good.
Olive oil.
Yep, I got olive oil on the bottom now and on the top side, so I'll get a good coating on it. Flip them over here real quick. Then I'm gonna go ahead. I got some garlic. I'm gonna nicely sprinkle all that over there. I like garlic.
I do too. I love garlic.
Gives it a good flavor.
It's good for your blood pressure too.
Plop it in there. Yeah, it does. So then we'll come over here and add a couple more things. We'll add a little oregano. Keep the top together so I don't get confused. Little that in there. Then we'll add a little basil. And then we'll add a little rosemary.
Love rosemary. It smells good.
I think it's perfect. Flip that thing over. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Got plenty of oil on both sides. Gonna make it cook nice.
He's the grill master.
Garlic in there. And then a little oregano. They're ready.
Yum.
I got the grill nice and hot. We like ours well, so it's gonna be about 5 minutes on each side. And we'll put the vegetables on.
That is hot.
How much if we got? I'll probably gotta put it more closer anyway.
And what are you doing? Are you hoping for something to drop?
Well, of course.
Daddy's grilling. Oh, and you think it smells so good. She was so glad to see Daddy when he came home today. Yeah, she was a good girl. Mama knows. Oh, is Daddy gonna put the steaks on? The baby smells it. Oh, yum. I like my steak cremated. He doesn't like his as cremated as mine, but yum. Ooh, that looks good. We're going to redo our floor back here on the screened-in porch, and we're going to fix the cracks and paint it, and then I have to paint the bottom of the screen. Many of you know this was a foreclosure, and we worked on it and done quite a bit of work. We did that fence all the way through there last summer. So we're just kind of working on it little bit by little bit. But if you all would be interested in watching us redo this, I can do this as a video when we do it. This is how I like them, charred. All right, we're going to eat. I'll see y'all in a little delicious brownies. They smell so good. Okay, time for dessert. All right, I'm gonna cut this. It's still warm. You could even put hot fudge over this if you wanted. I'm not going to. Still pretty warm.
Ooh, that looks nice, baby.
It smells divine.
It's chewy.
One scoop, please.
That's wine, baby.
We're working hard for it. Man, that freezer really freezes.
Which one?
Oh, this one is smaller. That's perfect. Now what are you gonna put on yours?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, douche, I can't say. I think it's douche de leche or something like that.
Ooh, looks nice and creamy. Let's see if it comes out any easier.
You're just motivated. Okay, here's our dessert. It smells delicious. My camera is dying, so I think we're gonna have to end this vlog here. So I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. Until next time, bye guys.